You can use neem to boil tea.
Uh-huh.
You can use neem as a pest control.
Uh-huh.
You can boil it up in water, spray your plants,
Uh-huh.
and it don't get eaten by pests. It also used for diabetes.
Uh-huh.
It used for poor circulation. It also used for gas and cold.
Bob.
And also used for the skin.
Uh-huh.
You can use it in soaps. You can use it in oils for the hair. Shampoo, conditioner.
Oh, this is awesome.
This is my ear.
Oh, man. My JamHearts family, how you do? Awesome. Getting a little drizzle here today, but man, I'm excited because I'm about to share with you another awesome medicinal plant here in Jamaica. It's a neem. I'm excited because it's overdue. It's one of them that I should have done a long time ago. Just getting around to it. But man, this plant is versatile. A lot of benefits, a lot of uses. Today we're going to explore it. And I'm with Sarah, an enthusiast, someone who just absolutely adores this plant. She actually creates some products from it as well. We're going to explore it. We're going to talk about all its amazing uses. And I'm going to take you along the journey. Remember though, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, for whatever reason, I invite you to join us. I'm on a journey to share the real Jamaica, the real people, products, attractions, everything Jamaica, including medicinal herbs. And I don't want you to miss any of that. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, for whatever reason, don't feel bad. It's a good time now. Hit the subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you'll see updated on all my latest videos. Alright guys, so this is the versatile neem tree in its glory here in Sandy Bay, Hanover, Jamaica. This is the branch and this is the leaves of as you can see, and this is Sarah. They call her the
Neem Queen.
The Neem Queen, man. She's gonna help us explore.
Hi, my people.
All right, so you go ahead and say hi to us.
Hello, my people.
All right, wonderful. Guys, I have 12 amazing facts about neem. I'm not sure how much a Neem Queen is aware. She's a guru. Correct me if I'm wrong. But first, I'm gonna ask you, Neem Queen, how traditionally do you know that we use neem here in Jamaica? How do we use neem? From your experience?
You can use neem to boil tea. You can use neem as a pest control. You can boil it up in water, spray your plants, and it don't get eaten by pests. It also used for diabetes. It used for poor circulation. It also used for gas and cold.
Bob.
And also used for the skin. You can use it in soaps. You can use it in oils for the hair. Shampoo, conditioner.
All right, so that's how you know of neem here. We use it in Jamaica, certainly in Jamaica.
Yes.
And the Neem Queen, you would have obviously done a little more than the average person here to research it because you produce, I know you're a neem enthusiast, so you're not just read or learn about neem, you actually make products with neem. And we're going to talk about the products later, guys, but big shout out, I have a special shout out to somebody, one of my ardent viewers. His name is, well, I'm not sure if it's a him or a her, but it's Royzel Henderson. Royzel Henderson, big up to you. And indeed, all of my ardent fans here who continue to like, share, and comment on my videos. I want to say thank you. Royzel asked about neem, so this one is for you, Royzel. 12 shocking. Oh, actually, before we do that, let's show the audience the different parts of the neem that you use, Neem Queen. So this is...
Okay, guys, so this is the neem leaves.
Typical neem leaf.
Typical neem leaves. This is the green leaf.
And I will just pick it off the tree, guys. So you see, look, we're under the tree here.
These are the berries.
Fresh, doesn't get more natural than this.
This is the ripe one. These are the green ones.
So it grows a berry.
It grows a berry.
Okay.
And it actually have a sweet, bitter taste to it.
Well, neem is naturally bitter too, right?
So see, it have a little seed in it. This is what it look like.
Oh, one seed.
Yes, it's one seed.
Okay.
And then this is the neem powder. I dried the leaf, put it in the blender, blend it out. Then I put it in the strainer, sieve it out, and this is what it look like.
And this is what it looks like. Fantastic. Yes. Fantastic. All right, now perfect time. I'm gonna amaze you guys because you might know a little bit about neem, but you don't know all of this stuff about neem. So we're gonna share we're gonna share 12 shockingly, amazingly interesting facts about neem right now. Number one, neem is said to be the oldest medicinal herb. Did you know that, Miss Neem?
Yes.
Did you hear that? Okay. Neem is one of the oldest recorded medicinal herbs with a history of use dating back to over 5,000 years, my friend. Number two, the Neem Queen mentioned it earlier that it is a superb skin savior. Notice the choice of words. Neem is renowned for its ability to treat various skin conditions like acne, eczema, psoriasis, due to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Number three, count with me. It is considered the traditional toothbrush.
Yes, it is.
In many parts of rural India, which, by the way, in India, neem is a big deal in India, and we're going to learn more about that. But neem twigs are used as a natural toothbrush and toothpaste, promoting dental health and preventing gum disease. Number four, natural birth control. Did you mention that?
I didn't mention it, but yes.
Yes, it is a natural birth control. Neem is a contraceptive. So neem has contraceptive properties and has been traditionally used as a natural method of birth control. Number five, it's an environmental guardian, Miss Sarah. Neem acts as a natural pesticide, repelling and disrupting the growth of numerous pests while being harmless to beneficial insects like bees. It's eco-friendly. In fact, they consider it an eco-friendly fertilizer. Neem cake, a byproduct of neem seed oil extraction, is used as an organic fertilizer to enrich the soil, improve plants' growth, and combat soil-borne pathogens. It is a hair nourisher. Neem oil is a popular ingredient in hair care due to its ability to strengthen hair, promote hair growth, and fight dandruff. Number eight. Counting with me, guys. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I believe I'm number eight. It's a powerful antimicrobial agent. Neem exhibits strong antimicrobial properties and is effective against a wide range of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Number nine, pet care. Love your pet? Neem is a perfect product for you. Neem oil is used in pet shampoos and sprays to repel fleas, ticks, and other pests while being safe for your little poodle. We're coming down. Sustainable agriculture. Neem-based biopesticides offer a sustainable alternative to synthetic pesticides, reducing environmental pollution and promoting organic farming practices. Number 11, and we're coming down to the big 12. Number 11, neem in cosmetics. Neem is increasingly used in skincare and cosmetic products due to its ability to nourish the skin, reduce signs of aging, and promote a healthy complexion. You use it, you know. You use it on your face. That's true, Miss Neem Queen.
Yes, I do.
Number 12, cultural significance. We mentioned it earlier, especially in places like India. Neem holds cultural and religious significance in various traditions, symbolizing purification, protection, and auspiciousness. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff.
Do you know that in India they call this the miracle tree?
I heard that.
Person sick, they can just go and lean on the tree.
I heard that. I heard that story. In fact, they have a festival in some parts of India, I was told as well. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff. How do you personally use neem?
I use it in shampoo. I use it in hair oil. I use it in face wash, as in a face soap. And I use it to drink now and then.
What are you drinking?
I just boil it.
No, why are you drinking?
To prevent blood sugar. It also, it also lower the blood sugar. It also lower the blood pressure, actually, because I have a little high pressure sometimes.
Oh, okay.
And I don't take medication for it.
So
the neem is good.
And you use it in your hair, you say?
Yes, I use it.
Is that your hair?
Yes, this is my locks.
It's locks. This is lovely. Guys, give her a big up.
But it's all the way down here.
What are you saying?
Yes, it's all the way down.
So so you wrap it up now?
Yes, I wrap it up.
So don't tell,
when I loose it down, it's all the way down.
So don't tell me it's a neem that did I.
It was growing from before I started using the neem, but the neem enhanced the growth of my hair.
I can imagine. All right, guys.
And
all right,
so pretty good.
I'm gonna mention as well a few health benefits as a bonus to you. Number one, it provides clearer skin. It builds immunity. So it actually gives your immune system a boost. Special properties that help to make your body stronger, so you're less likely to get sick. Number two. Number three, healthier teeth and gums. Neem is your most best friend. They say it fights the germs that cause tooth decay and gum problems like cavities and gum disease. Using neem-based toothpaste or mouthwash can help keep your smile bright and your breath fresh.
You know that you can actually chew the bark, chew like this.
The bark, or you mean the leaf?
Both the bark or the leaf or the stem. You can chew it and use it like, I don't know if you ever see chew stick.
Yeah,
you can use it like chew stick.
That's what they say.
And it works terrific.
That's
if you have like, they have a gum disease called what they call it, gingivitis.
Yes.
It works pretty good for gingivitis.
Happy tummy. They say neem is like a happy helper for your tummy.
Yes.
Happy helper for your tummy. It can soothe digestive issues like bloating and gas.
Yes.
And keep things moving smoothly in your gut. Man. So if you ever feel uncomfortable after eating neem,
After eating
neem,
drink a little neem tea.
Neem is there to the rescue. Liver support. Neem loves your liver, they say. Help your liver to do a better job getting rid of toxins in your body. It's like a superhero sidekick that keep your liver healthy and strong. It balances blood sugar. You alluded to that earlier.
Yes.
Neem keeps your blood sugar levels in check. It can help your body use insulin better, which is like a key that lets sugar into your cells. It's good news for people with diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Number 7. I'm giving you 10 quickly. What? Heart health. Neem is like a heart protector. It maintains healthy cholesterol level and keep your blood flowing smoothly. Number 8, joint health. Joint health. Neem cares for your joints, my friend. It has properties to help reduce inflammation and ease joint pain. So if you have achy joints or conditions like arthritis, neem can be like a soothing friend that supports your mobility and comfort. Number 9, respiratory support. Neem is like a breath of fresh air for your respiratory system. It helps keep your airways clear and supports healthy lung function. If you struggle with respiratory issues like cough, cold, and allergies, neem is your buddy in finding relief. And finally, Big 10. One of the main uses, certainly by the Neem Queen, is hair and scalp health. They call it, they say neem is a hair hero.
Yes,
it nourishes your scalp, promotes healthy hair growth, and helps combat dandruff and itching. Yes. Imagine neem as a magical potion that gives you strong, shiny hair and a happy scalp. How is that?
That's so true. You know, if I feel like I get in pimples, I just like crush the green leaf and just put the juice in it. And then like a day or so, it just dry up. And then when I wash my face, it just get off. So neem is good for everyone.
And everything, so like almost everything too.
Neem is good for everyone and everything.
Yeah, I think they only say,
but if a woman is pregnant, you're not supposed to take neem.
Because it's
because neem can wash out the baby. So if you're pregnant, please not take neem.
I was just about to say that. In fact, we'll just grab the opportunity to tell persons that we give information educationally, but if you have a condition, make sure you check with your medical provider first. To make sure they give you clearance. But this is just some awesome stuff. Awesome stuff we have here in Jamaica. Neem, I am excited because Neem is one of them. Miss Neem Queen, I should have done a long time, and I'm just getting around to it. I think I was waiting on you.
Well, nothing can done before the time.
All right, awesome.
It's just the right time.
Awesome. I want to pause now and ask you guys to like right now. Come on, man. Hit the like button right now. Or hit the like button right now for all this amazing information. Miss Neem Queen, if there's one thing about Neem, one other thing, what's the main benefit? I mean, the one that's jump out at you.
The one to protect my hair.
The one to protect your hair.
Yes.
All right. And speaking of hair, actually, guys, I'm gonna ask Miss Neem now, Miss Neem Queen, to show us a few of the products that she has that she actually used neem to make. I'm gonna ask her to show us a couple of them, Miss Neem Queen.
Okay, so this
and how you use it.
This one is the neem and turmeric face and body oil. This treats eczema, liver spots, skin rash, and allergy, psoriasis.
So it's oil base?
Yes, it's an oil base. It also takes spots out the skin.
How you use that?
You just like after shower, you just pour a little bit in the hand, rub it on the skin, and you go.
Like a lotion kind of thing?
Yeah, you can use it as a lotion.
Okay, all right. What else?
Then this one is the neem and turmeric face wash. This is like a soap for the face, removes spots, pimples, skin rash, allergies, eczema, acne.
So hold on now. So it's the same oil base, but
no, this is not an oil base. This is a soap.
Oh, it's soap.
Actually,
okay.
Yes, it is a soap.
Oh, so you can wash your face with it.
So you wash the face, you rub it on the face, leave it for 3 minutes, then you rinse it with warm water.
So it's okay, and it's neem and turmeric is another powerhouse. By the way, guys, we have a video on turmeric. You need to see it. It's in the description. Make sure you check out turmeric. That's another powerhouse too. So now, Miss Neem Queen found a way to merge both of them and give you a powerhouse product.
And then I also have this one. This is the neem and clove shampoo. Fight dandruff, itchy scalp, dry scalp. It used for like damaged ear and earline, split ends, and all those stuff. Right, to give you an healthy ear.
Right up your alley, because you love it for the hair, you say.
Okay.
What else you have?
And then this one is the NEEM conditioner.
Oh, so you have the shampoo and the conditioner.
Yes, I have the shampoo and the conditioner. So they both basically work together. Soften the ear, strengthen the ear.
By the way, what's the name of your brand, Miss Neem Queen?
It's Rock Top Eternal Life Herbals.
Okay, yes. Cool. All right.
And then I have this one now. This called Neem Ear Food. Also grow the ear, used for dry scalp and dandruff, damaged ear and earline. You can use it like a regular ear oil.
Oh, so it's a hair oil.
Everybody buy one. They just start use it as a regular ear oil. Once it solves their problem, even though the ear grow back, they still just use it as a regular ear oil.
Awesome.
And then I have this one now. This one called Neem and Turmeric Ear Treatment Oil. This one used for like eczema in the ear. It also used for skin rash. Sorry, it used for dandruff, dry scalp. So this one called the Neem and Clove Ear Treatment Oil. Okay.
You have a few oil-based ones. Okay, cool.
Yes. And then I also do the Neem and Turmeric face cream. I don't have it right here. And this one is a Shea Butter, the African Shea Butter lotion used for stretch marks, eczema, dry skin.
Is Neem in that one?
No Neem is
no Neem in that. Oh, so it's just an extension of your product line. Okay, cool. All right. So and this is obviously the powder, guy.
This is the Neem powder.
The powder, looking good. All right. So these are some of the products that she has in her little line of Neem products. She is an advocate. She's an advocate. Yeah, she's an advocate, a big proponent of Neem. Neem. How long are you in the Neem business now, Miss?
15 years. I started making Neem products for 15 years.
That's a while.
Yes.
How is it going?
It's going great.
All right,
I'm here right now and people keep calling me. I have to put my phone on silent because they're calling me for products.
Well, they're going to be calling you more. In fact, how the persons are interested in getting any of your products, how can they reach you? Because you have people locally and overseas as well.
Okay, they can reach me at 430-7509.
WhatsApp?
Or both calls and WhatsApp. You can also reach me on Instagram at eternal_life_herbal. So you can look at
this is your card. This is your little card thingy.
So you can call on any one of the numbers.
876. Notice the 876 guys on there. Awesome stuff. All right, Miss Neem Queen, indeed. What final words?
My people, I love you all. And trust me, you need to try out these Neem products. They are very good. Good for the skin, good for the ear, and healthy skin, healthy looks, healthy ear, healthy looks also.
One more thing, I said final. Oh, watch out now, watch out.
I guess it kind of look a little bit raggedy, but
this is awesome.
This is my ear.
Oh man!
And if I pull it out, it is long. It's all the way down here.
Oh my!
It's because I wrap it up.
And Neem have something to do with this?
Yes.
Well, living, breathing testimony.
Yes, it is.
What makes Jamaica special?
Jamaica special because you can get everything that's good for the body and good for the skin and good for the hair. You can get it here in Jamaica.
Awesome, fantastic. So Miss Neem Queen, I'm not gonna allow you to leave without testing one of your products. This one look like it's the ideal one. This is for the face.
This is for the face. That one used for eczema, it used for skin rash and allergy. It also used for sunburn. It protect the skin from the sun.
Alright, so give me a little now in my hand. I can't just rub it on my face.
Yeah, man, you can just take a little bit.
A little bit?
Yes.
Oh, so it's soft.
Yes, it is.
Oh. It's bitter, right? I presume. Alright guys, wish me luck. Actually, it's very smooth. But I can just keep it on, right?
Yes, you can keep it on.
I have a far journey to go, so you can stay on there. I don't need.
Yes, it is.
It's like a lotion, like a moisturizer.
Okay,
cool. Feels good.
Yes.
And this is it?
Neem and Tumeric face cream.
Big up. Well done, Neem Queen, guys. By the way, guys, I guess the word went out that we're gonna be doing a special feature on Miss Neem Queen. So a few of our customers said they wanted to share their testimonies. So let's take a look.
Alright, morning everybody. As you can see in my hand, I have this product called NEEM Hair Food. Yeah. Natural herbal oil for your hair, isn't it? And you know, things them were good for a dry scalp, dandruff, splitting and damaged hair. And can stimulate the hair growth, you know. So I'm not gonna lie. Me I use this for the past 3 years, you know. And I tell you say it do wonders for me. Plus my customer them and thing, isn't it? Yeah. So even with people them when I did really buy for in the first place still, you know. I start selling to my customer them is because the whole of them did have like dry scalp problem and them thing there, you know. So they are, and everybody have all of their hair clean up, you know, because every one of my customer them will come in contact with this and head clean right now. You see me? Yeah man. Therapy quality of your hair, thick you up your hair and you know, your natural hair, good length, not like. Because if you feel me hair past my shoulder gone. Alright, remedy this for your hair, man, you know, because I better you put natural things in your hair more and things with chemical and them things, because, yeah, them things they not damage your hair and them things, you see me? Yeah, so I highly recommend this. And on top of it too, the person where I get them from, she have all kind of things for like herbal soap where you know say you can bathe with, you know, the black soap them, yeah. She even have shampoo condition where natural herbs make them same way, you know. So I recommend them, you know, every one of them. You just take them on, take full advantage of them people, because in them at the age, you know, they have too much things in them for them preservative and them chemical in them product where if destroy people health overall and things. So the best if you keep up with the thing natural and go all the way in this direction, you see me? Alright, God bless.
Oh, that's lovely. That's lovely. Congrats, Miss Neem Queen. The Neem guys, courtesy of Sarah. Amazing stuff, right? Oh boy. Well, two things. One, I need you to share this video right now. You have been fed, so you need to feed somebody. Come on, man, share it now. Number one. And number two, what do you know about hibiscus? You know that's another powerhouse plant right there. Well, actually, I have a video on that. I did it with two beautiful ladies, two young students actually, in Kingston. You need to see it. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.